Consider the parabola whose equation is given. Which of the following is true? Y plus 6 equals x plus 2 squared. So because x is being squared, that tells me that this parabola opens up or down, which means I can eliminate a. Okay. And then the a value, the coefficient in front of the parentheses, is 1, which is positive. That tells me that this parabola opens up. Okay, so I can eliminate B. And then the vertex is going to be -2, -6. So that is option C. Okay, that's because the general form for a parabola that opens up and down is going to be y minus k equals a times x minus h squared.